Amazon Athena is an interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze data stored directly in Amazon Simple Storage Service, or Amazon S3. With Athena, you can remove the need for complex extract, transform, and load, or ETL jobs, to prepare your data for analysis. Athena is serverless, so there is no infrastructure to manage. And the pay-per-query feature means that you only pay for the queries that you run. Amazon Athena benefits. Fast performance. With Amazon Athena, your application engineers don't need to worry if enough compute resources have been allocated. Athena automatically scales and runs queries in parallel. So even for large datasets, most results are returned within seconds. Open standards. Athena uses Presto, an open-source, distributed query engine that supports structured query language, or SQL. Athena works with a variety of standard data formats, including CSV, JSON, and Apache Parquet. Athena can perform complex analysis, including large joins, window functions, and array manipulations. Pay per query. With Athena, you pay only for the queries that you run, based on the amount of data scanned. By compressing your data into columnar formats, you can achieve additional savings and get better performance from your queries. Amazon Athena features. Secure. Amazon Athena is integrated with AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM. IAM policies can be used to grant users access to Athena's functionality. Another option is to use access control lists, or ACLs, or Amazon S3 bucket policies that attach directly to an S3 bucket or its objects. You can also use Athena to query encrypted data stored in Amazon S3, and write encrypted results back to your S3 bucket. Integrated. Athena integrates out of the box with AWS Glue. You can use the AWS Glue data catalog to create a unified metadata repository that includes the location, schema, and metrics for your data sources and targets. You can use the fully managed ETL capabilities of AWS Glue to crawl data stores and discover new or updated schemas, making it easier to query data using Athena. Federated query. Athena provides connectors for enterprise data sources, including Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon Redshift, MySQL and PostgreSQL databases, and other popular third-party data stores. You can use Athena data connectors to generate insights from multiple data sources by using standard SQL syntax, removing the need to move your data with ETL scripts.